Welcome! In this detailed video, we're diving deep into CyberGym, covering how it works, its benchmarking process, local usage, and overall evaluation. CyberGym is a powerful framework designed to accelerate research and development in automated cybersecurity agents. At its core, CyberGym is a reinforcement learning environment that provides a safe and reproducible space for cybersecurity education and research. It offers diverse, realistic scenarios, from network intrusion attempts to malware analysis, all within a simulated environment. Now let's explore the inner workings of CyberGym and its technical architecture. CyberGym is built with key components. The environment simulates the target system, and the agent, your AI model, interacts with it via a defined API. The interaction follows a standard reinforcement learning loop. The agent takes an action, receives an observation and reward, and transitions to a new state. Benchmarking is crucial in CyberGym to objectively compare the performance of different AI models. Standard evaluation metrics include the model's success rate in achieving its goal, the time it takes for completion, and the computational resources consumed. The process involves running models against standardized challenges. This ensures fair, objective comparison, driving the community toward more capable security agents. For deeper customization and personal research, setting up CyberGym locally is highly beneficial. Prerequisites usually involve Python and required dependencies. Installation often follows standard package management, enabling quick local access. To run a basic simulation, you configure the environment settings, select a challenge scenario, and execute your agent script to observe its performance directly. CyberGym offers numerous advantages that make it an invaluable tool for cybersecurity research. The environment is completely safe, allowing for rigorous testing of offensive and defensive tactics without risking real infrastructure. Plus, it's fully reproducible for consistent research. It is highly scalable, supporting numerous agents and offering access to a wide array of diverse and realistic security scenarios that would be difficult to set up physically. While powerful, CyberGym does come with a few limitations to consider. Running complex simulations can be computationally demanding, requiring significant processing power. Furthermore, utilizing the platform effectively requires solid technical and cybersecurity expertise. A key limitation is that fully replicating the complexity and unpredictable nature of real-world environments and human attackers remains a challenge in any simulation. In conclusion, CyberGym is a pioneering tool for developing robust, autonomous cybersecurity models. It provides the structure needed to train, test, and benchmark AI agents against modern threats, accelerating the future of automated defense. We encourage you to explore CyberGym, run your own local simulations, and contribute to the advancement of cybersecurity through collaborative research.